Hello, my name is Tino from Eureka LED Lighting, and today we're changing over a conventional fluoro troffer for a Eureka LED panel light. The conventional fitting consumes 90 watt of electricity and we are replacing this with a 40 watt panel. Inside the ceiling is a 413 socket. This is typical in commercial and retail environments. The existing fitting and the Eureka panel will plug into the socket. Firstly, turn off the light. Then we need to remove the existing diffuser. This can be brittle if the fitting has been in place for a while. Then simply lift the complete fitting to one side and locate the lead which will take you to the socket. Unplug the lead. Now we're ready to lift the fitting and slide it through the aperture. It is best to have a spare person so you can pass the fitting without needing to climb down the step ladder. Now it's time to lift the Eureka panel into place. The unit itself is very light and thin. It's a sealed unit so no debris, flies or dust can penetrate. Locate the 413 socket, plug the lead in, locate the driver on the ceiling panel to the side of the opening and slide the panel into the ceiling grid. Now you can turn the light back on again. And that's it. This easy.